Hello, welcome to this update for mainly for Australia. So in this video, we'll mainly look at this big rain event coming for parts of Queensland in the next 5 days, and we'll check some quick stuff for the rest of Oceania too. So let's generally see what's happening. So this is today, Saturday, July 10th. No, Saturday, August 10th. So there in Australia it's already Sunday because this is European time. So Sunday, August 11th, we have some showers in Queensland. Let's see, some showers in Tasmania, and that front approaching Western Australia there. So Sunday, July 11th, this front should leave more rain in southwestern Australia there, and then kind of dissipate a little bit. But then we'll start getting more storms in Queensland. This is already Saturday. This is already like Sunday morning. More storms, and then like through Sunday afternoon. More storms in northeastern Queensland. Let's zoom around Townsville and Cairns, some more areas there by Sunday afternoon. Then we keep going into Sunday evening, still more storms throughout other areas of Queensland possible, and then these heavy rains continue through Sunday evening and Sunday night there, kind of dissipate by Sunday night, but still some leftover storms there, and then by Monday morning, still some storms in central southern Queensland. So let's see some areas there central southern Queensland, and let's see, this is like Monday morning to Monday afternoon, and then it continues Monday afternoon, Monday August 12th. So let's see, continues there in those areas of central coastal Queensland. There can be some storms in northeastern New South Wales too, and some rain around Brisbane and some areas there. But the worst of the storms will be like central Queensland. Let's see, continues from Monday evening, Monday night, still some storms there. And then through the middle of the night into Tuesday morning, still some rain there. In Queensland, no, in New South Wales, some rain too, but mostly in Queensland. And you can see the winds like going in a funnel. It's because of a low pressure system affecting there. Not a tropical cyclone because it's still winter, but a non-tropical low pressure system. So let's see, like those cyclones we had in the south there, they brought the rain, snow and wind. So let's see, this is Tuesday afternoon, still lots of storms there, and then Tuesday evening, still some storms past southern Queensland and New South Wales. Then by Tuesday night, still some heavy rain there, and into Wednesday morning, still shows some heavy rain to central Queensland by Wednesday morning. This by Wednesday afternoon, still shows some heavy rains in those areas there. By Wednesday night, it kind of calms down a little bit, more rain in New South Wales, but nothing crazy. And then it finally goes away. But still some leftover rain in New South Wales by Thursday, maybe a storm or two there by Thursday. And then we'll still have that front progressing across southwestern Australia because of that cyclone. This by next Tuesday, we might get that front there. And then it will traverse southern Australia. This by Thursday, that front traversing South Australia, going to Victoria and New South Wales. Maybe some storms too by Friday, the 16th, and some heavy rain by like Friday to Saturday in New South Wales and Victoria. And then there might be some other cyclones later, bringing rain to Tasmania and other areas there. So this is mainly it. Be aware. Let's see now. So this is what is in the next 5 days, the rain accumulation. So for Queensland there, it shows more than 187 millimeters around Rockhampton, 186 millimeters, 174 millimeters. So some dangerous rain coming. Be careful there. Around Townsville, some 65 millimeters, a little bit more further north. Around Brisbane, Gold Coast, some 48 millimeters, 33 millimeters. In northeastern New South Wales, a little bit more too, 49 millimeters, and some other areas there. Some rain from the fronts on the west, and Tasmania. So, and then the next 10 days, it rises slightly there. And let's see, more New South Wales from those other fronts I showed you later. And this is mainly it. But let's see a different model, because depending on the model this might play out differently. So next 5 days, this other model also has more than 200 millimeters in parts of New South Wales. No, that's Queensland, parts of Queensland. The other one had a little bit less, but this one has a more isolated spots of 150, 200 millimeters in central Queensland. So be aware there. A lot of heavy rain, and then even northern New South Wales shows more than 100 millimeters. Gold Coast around 100. So be aware for those days. New South Wales, Victoria, some rain too from the front there. So be aware. Let's see, maybe some snow. So in the next 5 days, not much snow is forecasted, just in New Zealand. But let's see, next 10 days it already shows more snow in New South Wales and Victoria in those mountains, but next 5 days no. But after the 5-day period there might be some more systems with snow in those areas, even Tasmania. And yeah, so be aware. Let's see some wind gusts from the system. Might be some gusty winds on the west from those fronts, and those storms might have strong winds inside of themselves, so be aware. And then Monday, still some strong winds in the southwest. With that low pressure system bringing the storms to Queensland. So some stronger winds in Queensland too. More in the west by Thursdays as the new front comes in. More there, let's see, still near Queensland. And later next Thursday from that cyclone near South Australia. So yeah, be aware. Let's see for the rest of Oceania very quick. So we have lots of tropical rainfall, parts of the Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea, and some islands in the north, some showers, mainly thunderstorms in Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands, and some lingering showers in Fiji, Vanuatu, nothing crazy. And then it might continue this way, the tropical rains and storms still there, the Solomon Islands, some passing showers in other areas. And let's see, maybe a storm or two, but mainly some passing showers in other areas, and the storms in Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands. So let's see, in New Zealand we have some more fronts from those cyclones. So by Sunday, August 11th, some more rain southern New Zealand and parts of those areas there, and later into Monday some more rain and snow in those areas there of southern New Zealand. There might be some showers in Northern Ireland by later into Monday, so be aware in some islands there too. And then into Tuesday it quiets down a little bit. Into Wednesday it's also quiet, but by next Thursday there might be a new front in southern New Zealand, some more rain there, maybe some snow, and then still some showers by Friday, next Friday the 16th. And then this cyclone of Australia might come to New Zealand and bring some pretty crazy rainfall by Sunday, August 18th. So be aware there, but still 1 week or two out, but lots of heavy rain and wind by Sunday the 18th. So let's see, rainfall accumulation shows the next 5 days more in southern New Zealand from those fronts in southwestern New Zealand. Let's see, close to 90 millimeters in some areas there. A little bit in northern New Zealand from some showers, but mainly in the south. Let's see, snow in the next 5 days shows more in those mountains. Be aware with roads there, with slippery roads and snow. So more snow in those mountains. Let's see, a little bit further north. Let's see, but those areas there potential to 21 centimeters, and in the next 10 days a little bit more there from other systems. So let's see. uh, the wind is still mainly quiet, but there'll be more wind with this cold front in the south, so some gusty winds in the mountains too. And then later by Monday, show some very gusty winds by Monday there in central New Zealand. Some areas in the mountains more than 90 kilometers per hour. Some purple, pink areas, some 70, 60 kilometers per hour. So be aware by Monday there. Around Auckland, some 59 kilometers per hour. Hamilton, some 57, but this might change. This forecast changes a lot. Let's see. And then later into Monday, still some strong winds there. And then it goes. Tuesday, still some winds on the northwestern, the northern coast, but then it goes away. Then later, by Thursday, we might have some gusty winds in the south because of another front in the mountains by Thursday. And then Friday and Saturday, that system starts coming from Australia and might bring some big winds into Monday, the 19th. So, yeah, this is mainly it. Let's just check rainfall accumulation the rest of Oceania. We checked the rain, but still shows some higher totals in the Solomon Islands from the thunderstorms, a little bit more some showers in Vanuatu, a shower or two in Fiji, New Caledonia, and some parts of Tonga, a shower or two, the tropical convergence zone, very busy, maybe a shower or two in the Marshall Islands, Kiribati, maybe some showers, and French Polynesia shows some more showers during the next 5 days, maybe a storm or two. So let's see here. Some waves, they will be bigger with that system on the coast of Queensland there, and in New Zealand and southwestern Australia because of those cyclones. There might be some slightly bigger waves in Vanuatu, near New Caledonia, in some areas with gusty winds, especially by Thursday. Alright, in Tonga near Fiji, some slightly bigger waves there because of some other fronts. Let's see, Friday near French Polynesia, slightly bigger, but nothing so humongous. Let's see, wind gusts, still some the wind gusts there in New Zealand and those areas, but show some gusty winds near that cyclone. Some gusty winds might affect Vanuatu, near New Caledonia, some seas near Fiji, so be aware some gusty winds there from time to time, and other areas too might get a gusty wind or two. Near Tonga, some other areas there might get a gusty wind or two. So this is it. Stay safe.